Okay, my people, this na man on the street and I dey for inside Pidgin News Network. My people, they talk and say hunter wey get one eye, no dey shoot anyhow. If you shoot anyhow, one day go mistake, go shoot him mama. Now be waiting, go see happen very soon for Naija matter. As Oga Dokpesi don come out for isolation center, come make one very ogbonge statement wey touchlight and draw our ear well. Oga Dokpesi as he come out, he say yes, so he waiting make am go for the isolation center now because he won't really feel waiting poor people they feel. Now make am no go there as High Chief Raymond Dokpesi, in go there as ordinary man to feel what the ordinary people they feel.
I did not go into Gwagwalada as High Chief Raymond Dokpesi. I went there as an ordinary citizen who complied because I wanted to see what the ordinary man goes through.
He say he no doubt say at all say the doctors wey dey Nigeria, he say they do well. In fact, as they small for numbers, so he say they even do well even to compare them with the doctors wey dey for abroad and other country. Now so everybody come clap am for the matter. He come talk say yes, even this number of corona wey they say they increase every day, say no corona number don increase for Nigeria, e don go this number. He say he no doubt am o.
There's no gainsaying that quite the numbers in Nigeria of the COVID-19 positive people have been rising. There is no gainsaying that our medical personnel, as few as they are very professional and can be compared with anyone in any part of the world.
He said, but the doubt and wetin dey surprise am, wetin dey shock am for him mind wey he never know, because he just become a mechanic man wey no too know book like that. He say abeg, wetin be the difference between coronavirus and malaria? He said because why in the ask so the treatment wey dem give them for that place, he said they are exactly the same treatment wey they give for malaria. He said na the same treatment that they give them for corona matter. So wetin become be the difference? He said na that one he no know. He said even some people sef wey dem come there after the corona matter, he said dem go for hospital wey get name for Abuja here go confirm. He said they come tell dem say wetin dey your body before, my brother? He said na only malaria na plenty for your body o, na be wetin dey there. He said so now he wan ask abeg, wetin be the difference between corona and malaria? He said this one he leave am for everybody, may they go reason the matter too.
But I still have doubts in my mind. I still want to be properly educated. I am a bloody mechanic. What is the difference between COVID-19, which is a virus, and malaria, which is mosquito? Because every medication we were giving was malaria medication. Even some people went, before being told that they were COVID-19 positive, they were tested in reputable laboratories in Abuja. They were tested in hospitals in Abuja. And what they found was that they had a lot of malaria parasites in their bloodstream. So when did malaria become synonymous with COVID-19? That is food for thought.
And people, this one come make us, and some people call it say come make it not be like say they take us play for this country. When jungle go mature, you know go eat you. One day bushmeat go catch hunter. My people, this na Pidgin News Network, and a man on the street be this.